We've made it to the final leg of our job running journey. Now that our job has finished and we've reviewed the test questions, let's take a look at the results. The results page shows the different types of reports available, but the one we use the most is the aggregated report. You can download your complete aggregated report from this page. Now that we've taken a look at our report, let's review the report settings. On this page, we can modify what information will be contained in the reports. We can see our aggregation settings are best answer for each question. After completing a test run, it's highly recommended to audit your results. This gives us an estimate of how the contributors did overall and what areas of our job can be improved. Check out the How to Audit Your Results article below to learn more about using your audit to improve job design. Once you're happy with your test run's accuracy, you can start launching much larger data batches and be confident you're getting the results you want. Now that you've completed this tutorial, it's time for you to build and run your own job. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you at help@figure8.com.